Hey, hi guys, welcome to Connect Dots. Today we are going to solve a problem that is easy. You can see it here. So, what we need to find out here is that the sum of values from root to leaf, and which is represented in a binary form, right? So, the problem is all about that. Uh, if you will see the if you will see in a diagram that each path is showing one binary number, right? So let's consider 100, right? 100, so it's a binary number. We need to convert it to integer, and similarly for this 101 is 5, and for them so we need to add all the number and we need to return, right? So okay, so we'll see. Yeah. So basically what we need to take care is that how we get the number from the binary, right? So there's a couple of ways to solve it. So what we can do it, we'll take a string builder, right? We'll add a root value, we'll move to the left child, we'll add a root value, we'll move to the left child, we'll add a root value, and we'll check if left and right child is null. We'll find out the integer of that binary string, and we'll move back. But before moving back, we need to delete this value because we are going to take a single string builder. Similarly, we'll come back here. We'll find out the number for 101 string, binary string, and we'll add to the result, and we'll delete the number. And similarly, we'll delete this, and we'll come to the one. And similarly, we'll find out for this. So overall, we'll get the total sum. But we can avoid taking extra space, right? So what we will do it, we'll take one example how we can get, right? Okay, so let's suppose that we have 144 144 integer, right? And uh, let's assume it as a string, right? So how we can get 144 value, right? So there's a one I think in build API in Java you can use it, but yeah, we are not going to use that, right? We are not going to use at all string here. So what we will do it, will have one value which will be assigned to 0, right? So for each index we will go and we will multiply the previous, that is val value, with 10, and we'll add the h index value. So you can convert it to the integer. I'm just directly putting it, right? So once you do it, what we will having the val value is 1, right? So next time for the second index we will get value val into 10 again. So it's nothing but 1 plus the 4. It will give us 14, right? Next time again we will do val is equal to val into 10, nothing but val is the 14 plus the third index is 4. So it will give us 144. In same way we can do for a binary string. In place of 10 we can use the 2. Okay, cool. Now we'll see how we can implement it, right? So what we will do, get bt binary tree sum. In that we will pass root, and will initialize as that initialize val with 0 value, right? And then private returning int get bt binary tree sum tree node, that is root int val. Okay, so if root equal to null, return 0, right? As we just now we discussed that we I told you, right? Whenever you are at uh, a root, you need to get that value by multiplying by 2, right? Because it is a binary. So what we will do, we will get the val with will multiply by 2 plus root dot val. So now we have we have that sum of that, but at that level. So next what we need to do it, so whatever the sum that we'll get from the left child and whatever the sum that we get from the right child, we'll add it, right? So return get bt sum root dot left comma val plus get bt sum root from right, and we are passing val there. Cool. So this should solve our problem, but yeah, we need to avoid the extra call. What we will do, if root dot left equal to null and root dot right equal to null, return return well, right? Why I'm doing this? Once you come to the leaf node, there's no meaning to go again left and right. Simply you just return the well, right? So for this root you get a 0 1 and you sum up, you will get total value, right? Sum up in the sense from root to leaf you will get here, and then from root to leaf you will get this value. I think this is enough. Will this is pretty much okay. We'll check it here. Cool. We are getting, yes. Now you can see it. Yeah, this is the uh, solution. It's not a